Welcome to the voyage of your dreams. Let go of restrictions and welcome freedom. A new era of road trip adventure is upon us, and 2026 will deliver a vision that will alter our perception of RVs. Introducing the Mazda Motorhome for 2026. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome, which departs from the little convertibles we are accustomed to, is a representation of elegance and practicality. It is constructed on a van foundation that is larger than the preceding Bongo, providing ample internal room without compromising Mazda's renowned agility. With its sleek adaptive LED headlights, modern flowing lines, and a perfectly integrated Mazda grille, the external design conveys a subtle yet bold Kodo, soul of motion style that makes a powerful premium impression everywhere. Mazda has taken a forward-thinking tack under the hood by offering two potential powerplant options. First off, the potent 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 gasoline engine provides the optimal mix of economy and performance, making it suitable for a range of terrains. The sophisticated plug-in hybrid, PHEV variant, is another option for individuals who want maximum efficiency and a low carbon footprint. It combines an efficient gasoline engine with a strong electric motor and large capacity battery to provide pure electric cruising for environmentally friendly excursions and an amazing range for lengthy trips. The cockpit of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome greets you with a fusion of luxury and technology as soon as you enter. All of the controls are conveniently located within the driver's reach thanks to the dashboard's flawless ergonomic design. The command center is a sweeping panoramic touchscreen that houses a cutting-edge multimedia system with wireless smartphone connection, real-time navigation, and easy control over every RV feature. Behind it, a digital instrument cluster that can be freely customized shows important trip information in clear, contemporary visuals. Every mile of travel becomes a delightful experience thanks to the luxury and calming cabin environment created by adjustable ambient lighting, natural wood accents, and luxurious soft-touch materials. Moving on to the living area, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome's interior is the epitome of adaptable space. You can quickly switch between a large living room for lounging and mingling and a small dining area for eating thanks to the modular architecture. This space is surrounded by large panoramic windows that let in plenty of natural light and provide breathtaking views of any location you select. High-quality leather chairs may be adjusted and rotated, and a built-in foldable eating table maximizes available space by neatly storing when not in use. This is a mobile living area that is intended to foster comfort and community, not simply a car. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome becomes a peaceful haven at the end of the day. The sleeping space is made to offer the best possible slumber following an exciting day of exploring. A top-notch orthopedic mattress is installed on a queen or king-size bed, depending on the layout, guaranteeing a good night's sleep. The ideal setting for unwinding is created by thick blackout drapes and soft ambient lighting. The inside is kept tidy and orderly with an integrated closet and underbed storage drawers that offer plenty of room for all of your personal belongings. You'll be energized and eager to embark on new experiences when you wake up. Luxury doesn't have to be sacrificed, even amid the woods. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome's bathroom is the epitome of style and functionality. Every element is intended for optimal comfort, including a contemporary sink, a water-saving ceramic toilet, and a high-pressure shower. Luxurious touches include a huge mirror and premium composite countertops. Good air circulation is guaranteed by an advanced ventilation system, and toiletries are kept tidy and easily accessible by concealed storage. The kitchen in the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is a culinary enthusiast's paradise. This completely furnished kitchen was created with both elegance and utility in mind. A huge stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet, a convection oven microwave, a high-capacity refrigerator/freezer, and a 2-burner induction cooktop are all included. Ample countertop space makes meal preparation easy, while storage drawers and clever cabinets with soft closing mechanisms ensure that all of your kitchen necessities are kept safe and secure while traveling. No matter where your journey takes you, you can prepare your favorite meals with this kitchen.